Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how text splits function work in Microsoft Excel. Text split functions comes under Office 365. We have 5-6 examples. We're gonna discuss about how text split functions in Excel will gonna work. And you have seen here a multiple value we have included in one cell, meaning we have alphanumeric kinds of text we have included in one cell. Using text split function, it will separate you in different cells, meaning all these first alphanumeric function will come in the first column, then second column, then third column. In the same way, what text to column will work. What text to column will work based on the pattern you gonna specify. Either a space, a single, or slash, or whatever you have pattern in your alphanumeric characters. But text split function will work as a multi-function usage. Meaning if you have 2-3 kinds of punctuation included in your data, then it will split all together at once using this text split function. Let's see what text split function will do for us. Let's see, this is my first example. Here you can see I have a industry code and here I have in between a space. Here I have a space and comma also. So we have two type of punctuation included in the data. Here I have a space and somewhere I have a space along with the comma also. And somewhere I have only a space and somewhere I have only a comma. So in this scenario we have two type of punctuation included in the data, a space and a comma. What text split function will do, it will separate you different cells. Let's see how text split function gonna use in this Excel spreadsheet. Now I'm going to use text split. Now select the location of the text, then use a comma. Now I have a space in between and also I have a comma in between. So I have to use two types of punctuation altogether in a single formula text split. Now let's see. We have every three text separated into a different cells. Now we're gonna do as control D as what we have been doing for dragging your formula in Excel. Now I have everything here, or you gonna use two kinds. In this way we have some spill kinds of errors comes in. But what I want this to be separated and no error will come. If you gonna use this way, having two punctuation in your formula, this will gonna somewhere a fine result, but somewhere it shows error. So what can you do? You just enclose this under a curly bracket. So space and comma both include under a curly bracket. Now hit enter. Now drag this. Now you can see errors are gone. Now you have everything perfectly. But there is a challenge here because you can see in column G there is a space for every data, meaning every record have a space in column G, or you can say every record have left column G as a blank. But what I want in this scenario, I want this is excluded. meaning there should be no blank cell available in your result. So what should you do? You just use here comma, then comma, then ignore your empty spaces. Now you can see your spaces are gone. In this way, you're gonna use text split function, but it is used as a scenario based also. So it gonna work as a logically also because you have seen there is a G column where G column are blank, but using some additional punctuation in the formula, we do not have now a blank cells or blank column here. Now I'm going with the second example. Here I have only a hyphen in these records. So going to use text split. Now locate your record and then you're gonna use only hyphen because you have only hyphen here. So it is very easy to split it down. Now you can see, now drag it. Let's see what would be all result. Now we have results perfectly because there is no blank column we have in our result. Now what I want this all becomes horizontally. But in some scenario, if you want this should be vertically. Here we have result horizontally. But in some scenario, if you want this should be vertically, then what should you do? Same thing. I want to show you a one record. Let's see, I have with a third record. So here I am going to use text split. Now locate your record. In this case, my record is third. So double comma and then use whatever punctuation is available in your record. Now let's see. Your result is now vertically. In this way, you're gonna use horizontally and vertically both. So let's delete one. Now coming with the third example, we have everything here, but last time we have hyphen in between. Now we have a slash. So text split, locate your record, and then gonna use a slash. Now we have a result perfectly. But in case if you want this should be vertically, then you gonna use text split, locate your record and double comma here and then give your slash. Now in this way you can have your result vertically also. Now coming with the fourth example. Here I have record like this, meaning I have equal signs and comma signs also included in one cell, but there are multiple records. So what should I gonna do so that I can have all apple, mango and pineapple in this column and all number 8, 9, 10 should available in this column. So what should I do? I do same thing, text split functions, locate your record, then column delimiter, I have first a space equal sign and then I have a comma in between. Now hit enter. In this way we have all the text character in one column and all the numbers in the next column. In this way you gonna use for this one also. So Now coming with the fifth example, you can see we have different types of scenario. So text split function will help with this. If you want to separate this one, then you write text split, locate your record. Now you have a separator like this one, and then you gonna use true here. Now you can see you have all the records separated. Your first record of every rows is in one column and the other records in every row got placed in the next column. Now we have number like this. What I want all these number to be summed up. Here this should be 7, 3, 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 1, 10. I want 10 should be here. The same way the sum of these numbers should be here. The same way sum of this should be here and so on. So what should I do? I should use a sum formula because sum is the summing of numbers. Sum, then gonna use a value. Then I gonna use text split functions here. Now I'm locating my record here. Now we have a comma separator all this. So just enter. Now we have 10. Now you can see this. I have different types of number. So these are the whole number. I have also a decimal numbers. We have a result as sum of the numbers what we have in these cells. So in this way, text split function will work. You can use as per the scenario. I have gone through a different scenario and I have collected data from various sources so that I going to show you the different kinds of data. If we face in this type of challenges while working in Excel, then how text split is gonna help me. So in this way, I gonna show you a different scenario based example using only text split function will throw you out from every scenario or every challenge you're gonna face while working in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. So let's stay for the next video. Thanks for watching.